Good morning, guys. It's Mr. T here. I'm feeling a little better. I'm going to be out again today. I will be back tomorrow. I got a much better report from the old Subaroonie. I suspect that's because you guys were uh, really on your best behavior. Okay, so here it is. Good report. Again, it stands that my better students will end up with a Kindle. If anybody is to get mentioned in a negative way today, they will not be at our next um, tech day, game day, extravaganza. So, work hard to earn a Kindle. I will reach out to Miss Mempa. Hopefully, she's your sub again today, but I'll reach out to whoever it is and see who my better students were. That being said, take a look at what you have today. First things first, we'll go down to reading. When you look at reading, there's two things that we did in our Storyworks magazine. We did the Mummy King, and we did a really cool story called The Message, right? Both these stories came along with Google Slides. I went through last night and checked to see most of you started it, got a good start on, but no one finished it, the question. So make sure you go through. And so you're going to do independent reading today. So you'll reread both stories. And as you read, you can go, if you come across the answer to questions that you can answer the question, go ahead and do that. Okay? So that's where we'll start today with reading anyway. For science today, which is actually what you'll probably start with, you're going to do measuring matter. Okay, measuring matter. You're going to answer questions. We'll be taking that for a firm grade. So you will be able to, going back to the reading, when you get back from specials, I've instructed the sub on here. Now, it's up to the sub if they decide they don't want to do this. That's on them. But I did say it was okay for you guys to partner up to finish answering the questions here. Good behavior, right? We're not talking when you shouldn't be. Just a good day. I was very pleased with the report I got. All right, and then come down to spelling. I posted in your spelling. Did it not take me to spelling? Yeah, it did. I posted in your spelling. Now, I know the blue group had a tricky sort, so when I get back tomorrow, I'm going to review that sort with the schwa sound. We're going to do that. We'll go over that together. But I included a Google Doc, and I called it Spelling Story Challenge. What I want you guys to do in this Google Doc is to do pyramid words. I want you to do a set of pyramid words in there today. So you'll have your sword out on your desk, and you're going to pyramid word each one of your words. Okay? And then if you're done with that, I want to make sure that you post on Monday sort for spelling. Make sure you are posting Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for DLR. Where that goes. Remember, we're getting firm with our quote-unquote homework grades. Then I guess what I would like you to do today is to get into writing poetry books. Okay? I want you to go into your Story Jumper. Okay, Story Jumper, and I want you to really polish up those books. You know, I love the hand drawings. You know what I'm about there. I'll leave out some printer paper in here on the desk for you guys to do your artwork. You should have anywhere between 5 and 7 poems. And remember, you can have. I want you to include your Ancient Adventures mini saga as your last entry into your Story Jumper. Okay. Now you can have more than 7 poems. Like, let's not forget these two: The Power of Poetry and Imagine. Okay. Right. You can include, or you can just come up with your own poem. period, right? All right, you guys. I'll be back tomorrow. I missed you. Mr. T, behave yourself, behave yourself. Mr. T, out.